Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. We have another Shein haul. I just couldn't get off the site. These are what I ordered, so I just forget. But I think I got a whole bunch of house stuff. If you're interested in this look, I did this with the Nomad palette. It's a little off on this side, but anyway, so go check that out, and I will leave some other links. Go check those out, and let's get into this haul, see what I got this time. Might be a try-on. Bunch of goodies. All right. Oh, this is just in time. Look at that. Christmas stuff. It's a pillowcase cover. So I gotta find some more pillows. But that's super cute. Is it upside down? Yeah, upside down. Yeah, super cute with the little gnomes. So that's one. There's another one here. And this one just says Christmas. I figured it would match the buffalo print. I like that. And, oh, we got some more flowers. Let's see what these look like. Oh, they're not bad. Look at how pretty they are. Very dusty. This is why you gotta wash stuff. Very dusty. Matter of fact, let me just move that. But I like how they're tied together, so I get a small little vase and put that together. And, oh, we got an outfit. So it's the buffalo print. It's just like a short shirt. Oh, with some leggings. Yes. And then this might be another flag. Nope, it's a pillowcase. There we go. Isn't that cool? Buffalo print. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's got a little leopard tree. Isn't that cute? And then I think these are the placemats, I think. Let's see. Oh no, this is a table runner. Okay, so this is half of it, so it's perfect size. But this is what it says. Merry Christmas. It's got the buffalo print there. So you can have a wide variety of different styles, decoration. This looks like another. Oh, this is a placemat right here. It's the most wonderful time of the year. And it has the truck. I love the truck with the gnome and the tree. So this is good. And I got 4 of those, I'm sure. So there's those. Something fell out here. Oh, this is for the refrigerator. So the refrigerator door handles, you put this around it like that, and I don't know, it's just decoration, right? What else? Oh, I got some hair ties, some rubber bands, you know, for these kids. How many are in here? It doesn't even say, but I think it was like 100. Some more of these cherry blossoms, but in pink. If you missed that Shein haul, you gotta go check it out. It's still up recently. So this is what it looks like when you spread them out. Look at how super pretty that is. If you had like a white vase or a black one. Oh, and then I got this cute little wooden spoon. This is like for salt or coffee, something like that. We got these tulips. I know we're in fall, but when it comes to springtime, And actually they are fall colors, so you could really just make it work with like some duck pond weeds or whatever. That would be cool. And then I got some fake eucalyptus. Oh, look at that, how it opened up. All right, so we gotta like straighten them out. Be careful because they're not like highest quality, but if you do it like that and it's tied together, I would leave that and put it in a vase. What is this? Oh, I think this is a coffee filter. Because, you know, I love coffee. So, I'm not sure how this actually clips on, but it has a filter. I think you're supposed to do it like that and just let it drip. They don't give you instructions like once you buy it, which kind of sucks. And then I got another spoon. This is for tea. I mean, it's not really a spoon, but it has a heart here. And it's a tea diffuser. How do you open it? Oh, there's a little clip, and you put the tea in there, then you close it, put some hot water, good to go. And I got more of these, but this is, let me see. These, oh boy. These are a little orangier, I would say. Let's open it and I'll show you. Okay, so yeah, you can see these are orangey and these are yellow, but you can totally make it work together. Almost left something in there. Oh, look at these. Sometimes I buy stuff and I forget why. But this is a scooper with a clip. So if you have brown sugar, white sugar, coffee, comes with a scooper and a clip. Let's see, what is this? Oh, I think it's like a crystal or something. Oh yes, I love it. I love it already and I haven't even opened it. So it's got the lotus flower and the chakra colors with this little pendant here. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is fairly cheap, so you want to be careful. Placement, you don't want to put that outside. This looks like another table runner. Yeah, this one, yep, it is. So this is half of it, just to show you, with the buffalo print. And then I got some more of the cherry blossoms to put together. And I have this sign here. It's a little wooden sign. And it says, coffee makes everything better. You can put that like near the coffee bar, or anywhere in the house. So that was my Shein haul. I only have one thing to try on, so let's just try it on. Okay, so this is the shirt. I believe they showed it like you could tie it, or, you know, maybe if you unbutton it like a little more, you could tie it like that with the buffalo print, the leggings. Got a whole lot of dust on me. Or you could just leave it like that. I like it though. I think I'm going to tie it, kind of make it like a crop top, you know? Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So if you undo it and then just tie it like that and pull up the leggings, let it hang in the back a little bit. That is super cute, right? What do you guys think? You're loving it? Are you loving it? And I have my little French braid, so I feel like I'm rocking the fall already. Let me know which item in here, or which items have you done a Shein haul. Maybe you should go check it out. It's fairly cheap. And if you spend like 49 bucks, it's free shipping. And on certain days of the week, it's free shipping. I got a lot of stuff, decorations that, you know, if they get messed up for $1, $2, $3, it's not bad. But definitely go check it out. And I have one more thing to try on. So I ordered this shirt from Wendy's World. She does have a YouTube channel, but she also makes custom shirts. So, and I saw it and I was like, let me send her a message. So let me show you the shirt and then we'll try it on. So it says right here, Wendy's World. That's her little business card. And then thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy. So you can catch her on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. So let me show you.
Mommy, battery.
Okay.
No battery.
Okay, can you just give me 2 seconds? I'm done. So this was the design that I was like, oh my god, I gotta have it. Iced coffee, all types of coffee, lattes. Look at the little pumpkin, super cute. Let's try it on. Okay, so here is the shirt. I'm glad I got a large because it has room to shrink if it needs to. But you could also wear it with leggings and like a little sweater. But look at how adorable. Oh my god. So if you like this, she has other designs, but go check her out on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram and see, because this was like sent out super fast. It just took me time to do this video and put it on, but I love it. All the fall vibes are there. If you love coffee, oh my god. And good gifts. I like to think of gift ideas. So let me know in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and checking out my Shein haul. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.